Hello, welcome to Advanced Policy LGBTQ plus populations. My name is Alberto Cifuentes Jr. I'm a licensed social worker in the state of Connecticut. I'm your instructor for this course. This is my first time teaching this course. I'm very excited about it. Just a little bit of background about me. I'm a community organizer with the Connecticut Citizens Action Group. I'm also a professional development facilitator for GLSEN, which formerly stood for the Gay, Lesbian, and Straight Education Network, but now it's just called GLSEN. I serve on several boards, several committees that are social work related, including NASW Connecticut, the Latina Social Workers Network, and the Macro Social Workers Network, as well as the Diversity Committee. In terms of my research background, my research is in gender and sexuality studies. My dissertation is on how stigma impacts the health outcomes of online male sex workers. So I'm looking at how different types of stigma impact the health outcomes, sexual health outcomes, and the substance use outcomes of online male sex workers through interviews and through a survey. And this is what I'm currently working on at the University of Connecticut School of Social Work. I also teach at the University School of Social Work. I've taught courses in macro foundation practice, research methods, and social welfare analysis and policy. Like I said before, I'm very excited to teach this course. I'm really excited to know about what your passions are and what you really want to get out of this course, what policy issues really get you fired up. So I'm interested in learning more about that as we go on, and feel free to look at get started in week 1 of Plato, and we'll get started very soon. Thanks.